I was not born blind. Life, circumstances, they made me this way. It wasn't always like this. I still remember the colors of the world, the sunlight touching my face, the way everything felt so alive. I wish I didn't remember, but I do. Memories haunt me, memories I shouldn't even have at this age. I'm just a child. Do I really deserve to suffer like this? I had the perfect father once. To me, he was everything, my protector, my comforter, my all in all. I never thought anything could take him away. But life doesn't ask what we want, does it? One day, death came, like a thief in the night. It snatched him away from me, and just like that, my whole world shattered into pieces I couldn't pick up. Since then, life has been far from easy. It feels like I'm stumbling through darkness, not just because I can't see anymore, but because everything inside me is broken. I carry so much pain, so much weight for someone so small. Sometimes, I think maybe the heavens can hear me. I sit there, hands shaking, praying, begging, asking for just a little mercy, a little light to guide me out of this. But the silence is loud. I guess I'm all alone. But this is my story. The story I carry in my heart, the story I'll tell through the song I'll sing. Maybe you'll hear me. Maybe someone will listen. Because deep down, I'm still that child, still wondering what I did to deserve this.
In the shadows where you hide, underneath the teardrops dry, heart so heavy tries to fly. Little one, don't you cry. Dreams of whispering in your ear, through the dark they draw you near. Even though the road's unclear, strength is found in every tear. Rise up, little one, be strong. Face the world where you belong. In your heart a hopeful song, you can find where you belong. Of the past so near, but with morning skies so clear, hope will shine and reappear. Rise up, little one, be strong. Face the world where you belong. In your heart a hopeful song, you can find where you belong. Feel within your soul, piece by piece it makes you whole. Every step helps you to grow. Love will guide you as you go. Within your soul, piece by piece it makes you whole. Every step helps you to grow. The love will guide you as you go. Feel the light within your soul. Piece by piece it makes you whole. Every step helps you to grow. know love will guide you as you go. Even though the road's unclear, strength is found in every tear.